Welcome to cocktail lounge of mrhamiham. Today I want to make a two delicious cocktail in combination with whiskey, coke, and the second cocktail in combination with red vodka, white vodka with coke, and you can decorate with lemon slices. Let's start with preparation. First you can put ice in the glass, put whiskey inside the glass, put the coke on the top of the whiskey, and you can decorate with the lemon slice and serve with the liquid chocolate. Few minutes and start with the second cocktail. Ingredients for the second cocktail are in combination with ice. Put the white vodka inside the glass. Put the red vodka inside the glass. Finish with the coke on the top. And decorate with the lemon slice. Hopefully you have fantastic holiday season with your family and friends, and start good at 2015.